Get ready for a fun and exciting quiz, kids. This time it's all about emojis. Can you guess the answer from these teeny pictures? Let's find out. Which type of fruit is this? It's a strawberry. Which animal is this? The answer is panda. What is this? It's a balloon. Which type of building this emoji showing? The answer is school. Which animal does this emoji represent? The answer is monkey. Which food is this? The answer is donut. Which type of transportation is this? The answer is rocket. What is this emoji showing? The answer is rainbow. Which pet is shown here? It's a cat. Which type of flower is this? The answer is sunflower. Which vegetable is this? It's a carrot. Which time is this emoji showing? It's a 3 o'clock. Which ocean animal is this? The answer is dolphin. Which holiday is this emoji for? The answer is Halloween. What is this? The answer is game controller. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world.